Hey everyone, this is Drew Forts, and today this is just part one to the rebuilding of the Batmobile. This is just part one to it. Get started. When I posted the video yesterday, I said I was trying to start it. This is just me starting it at the moment. It's gonna take me a few days, maybe a week or so I will make a couple more videos because of it. No joke, and this is really cool or not. And this is probably the most. I got 55 subscribers, 55 views on instead of subscribers on views on this Batmobile. I want to reach this to 1K views on this. No joke, because the Hulkbuster is one of the most popular videos on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And make sure that you get this video, my Lego Batmobile, the same as my Hulkbuster, no joke. So make sure you like and subscribe to it. And see part 2 in probably a day or so you know what it is. So make sure you like to subscribe.